If you want to start receiving news and sports notifications on X, also known as Twitter, this quick guide will show you exactly where to go. This is a simple setting, but it can make a big difference if you want real-time updates from the topics you care about most. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Now let's go ahead and do it. First, open X and look at the left navigation bar. If you don't see the option right away, click on More. This will open up additional settings and features inside your account menu. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps most of the account notification and privacy options. Once you're inside Settings and Privacy, click Notifications. This section controls the alerts you receive from the app, whether they appear on your phone, in your browser, or both. Next, click Preferences. This takes you into the Notification Preference menu, where you can customize what kinds of updates X sends you. After that, click Push Notification. This is the important part if you want alerts to appear directly on your device. Push notifications are the ones that show up instantly, so if news or sports breaks, you can be notified without having to open the app manually. Now look for the From X section. Under that section, you'll see the option for news and sports. Simply toggle it on. Once that switch is enabled, X will begin sending you news and sports notifications based on your preferences and account settings. And that's it. You've now turned on news and sports notifications in X or Twitter. It only takes a few taps, but it helps you stay updated on the latest stories and game alerts in real time. If this video helped, please remember to like, subscribe, and check out my other tutorials for more quick X and Twitter tips.